In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana for affiliate marketing. If you're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, having eye-catching visuals can make all the difference. Today, we'll explore how to harness the power of Nano Banana to create stunning and engaging advertisements. So let's get started. First, let's head over to Google Gemini, which is an excellent platform that serves as the foundation for this process. Once you're there, you're going to enter your text prompt. This step is all about being creative. Think of an idea that not only grabs attention, but also relates directly to your affiliate product. For instance, a text prompt could be something like a superhero teacher explaining affiliate marketing in outer space, colorful and dynamic lighting, futuristic classroom background. The aim here is to craft something visually unique that catches the eye and makes the viewer pause while they're scrolling through their feed. After you've crafted your unique and captivating prompt, it's time to move on to generating your visual masterpiece. Simply click the Generate button. This is where the AI magic happens. It processes your idea and applies a style that brings your vision to life with a creative flair. Take a moment to review the outcome. Make sure it aligns with the concept you had in mind. Once you're satisfied with the visual, the next step is to download the image. This image now has a distinct font style that complements the overall look and feel of your message. This adds an extra layer of professionalism and uniqueness to your ad, making it stand out even more. Now that you have your captivating visual, it's time to create your ad copy. Think short and catchy. What's going to pull people in? For example, you might write something like, "Learn how to make money online, even from outer space." Pair this snappy copy with the visual you've created. Having your ad copy ready, it's time to design your ad layout. Tools like Canva or CapCut can be incredibly helpful here. Use these tools to combine your Nano Banana image with the catchy ad copy and a call to action button. Think along the lines of sign up now or watch free training. This layout is what viewers will see, so make sure it's cohesive and compelling. Finally, let's talk about setting up your affiliate ad campaign. Head over to your preferred ad platform. Whether that be Facebook Ads Manager or Google Ads, upload the creative you've designed and link it to your affiliate landing page or course. Don't forget about monitoring and optimizing your campaign. Keep an eye on key metrics like click-through rates, conversions, and cost per click. Nano Banana is a great tool for creating new visual variations quickly for A/B testing. Try experimenting with different themes, styles, or backgrounds. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to create eye-catching affiliate marketing ads that draw attention and encourage clicks. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.